naman.
Ay, matagal na.
Di ba meron kayong concert, guys?
Yes, may concert po ang Cover Boys. Sa May 9 and 10 sa Music Museum. Magkita-kita po tayo doon.
Of course, at kasama namin po dito si Will Devon at aming special guest, si Sweet Lapot,
Wow.
Nikki Hill, Vice Ganda, Ethel Buba, at Miss Ai de las Alas.
So, reserve your tickets now at Ticket World. Call 891-9999.
And of course, it's brought to you by ASAP Live and MJM Productions. Concert event of the quarter.
Presented by Bench and Dr. Manny and Sai Kalayan.
Gusto lang po namin magpasalamat po sa Metatayon, sa Active White, sa lahat po ng sponsors namin, saka sa inyo lahat. Salamat po.
Thank you, Active White.
Good luck, guys. Good luck, Cover Boys. And Asa Boyd would like to thank also Sir John Salon and Mary Pauline Salon Group. Thank you so much. Up next, patikim pa lang po yan ang concert nila. Siyempre, merong patikim sina Richard Poon and Miss Tony Gonzaga. Yes, at makikilala din natin ang UT4 ng Dagupan kasama si John Maha Raver and sa ina sa pagbabalik ng Asa Boyd. 1,